Okay. So today, I kind of want to try vlogging some, you know what I mean. So this week, I kind of want to I kind of took the day off because, I mean the week off. Yeah, the week off because I'm so tired from doing work stops and it got me stressed to the point that I'm having a mental breakdown. So I said to myself, like, screw it, we're taking a break. So here we are. And I kind of want to try to vlog what I want to do during this little vacation that I acquired. Yeah, shall we? I guess. Shall we? Let me just yeah, so enjoy, I guess. This is just a little experiment, so you know. Oh my god, my face is close up. But yeah.
Okay, so you're probably wondering why is there an Elmo in the table, and that is because I was filming something. So it's probably gonna come up first if I edit it first, and I will put an eye link in the description in the upper right corner of the screen. That's where the eye is usually. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that up later, but I'm really hungry, so I am gonna eat breakfast first, even though it's almost 11. So I'll see you guys later. Okay. Oh, this isn't coffee. This is, well, see for yourself. That's hot chocolate. Because I don't drink coffee ever. It worsens my anxiety. And I get jittery and nuts. And I won't be able to sleep at night. So I just drink hot chocolate daily. So, yeah. So, I'm still not finished with breakfast. And it's already... Oh god. Let me focus. Oh my god. Focusing. Oh, focusing. There we go. It's 11. I am still not done with breakfast. And I still need to clean the G-Dang plates. So, I'll see you when I'm done with all this. Alright? Okay, cool. Alright, I have finished doing all the cleanup that I need to do, I think. Ignore those. I will deal with that on a later date. Yeah, this one, yeah. Ignore that. But yeah, the plates are clean. They're all nice and washed over there. So dark. Okay. Let me just flip. Yeah, so that's clean. And well, that one isn't, but never mind that. Anyway, okay, so what I'm gonna do next is, well, kind of want to like lie down a bit and take a bit of a rest. Unfortunately, I don't really have the same mental capacity as any regular person. Let me just focus myself a bit. Oh, my camera's in manual, so so yeah, I'm just gonna lie down for like an hour and a half, and I will do the stuff I want to do next after I've laid down. So I'll see you there. So I just woke up. I ended up taking a 2-hour nap. So, yeah, it always happened to me recently. Like, I feel so tired, like, during the noon, and I just want to, like, sleep for so long. I don't know. It's just a thing to me. So, I kind of want to do to make some pizza. So,
so we are going to make pizza. So, yeah, let's go do that now.
Alright, here's the yeasted dough, my dudes. So, this dough isn't yeasted. I use bigger bolder bakings, 15-minute pizza dough. So, it's not yeasted. It only uses baking powder. So, that's what I'm working with. And the reason why it's slightly brown is because I've added some wheat flour. So, I hope it tastes good. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So we're gonna add some toppings here and we'll be right back. Alright, here is the pizza. So I just added some garlic butter here and store-bought pizza sauce and some mozzarella cheese. And for the ham, well, I used the Christmas ham we got back in December. And I know it's already February, but look, I'm the only one who's eating those hams, okay? So it's in the freezer, it's safe. It should be fine. It should be fine. So yeah, let's go bake this. Alright, pizza's done. Some of the cheese didn't really melt. Is this really mozzarella? So I'm not sure. I just bought the cheapo one I found in the store. So I'm not really sure what went wrong here. But it's really hard. It's fairly hard now. And I'm not gonna put it in the oven for much longer because I'm really hungry. And you know, I'm just gonna let this sit there. Wait. There. So dark. So dark. And there we go. And yeah, I am gonna take a bath before I dig in. So, I'll see you in a bit. So, this dough still feels different. Oh well, it's still fine. Alright, so, I've finished eating. Oh, and I kind of want to do some photo shoot. Today is Valentine's Day. And I kind of want to do some photo shoot with myself because there's nobody here. So, I'm gonna get dressed and get ready and I will see you during the photo shoot, I guess. So, alright, so I don't know if you can see this properly. So, here's my laptop and this is the photo. Let me just focus. Yeah, there we go. So, that's the first shot. This is the second shot. And the final product is... There we go. It looks good, isn't it? It's like, you can't even see the stitch. I had to like brush it or something. But yeah, it looks really nice. I actually look good in a beanie hat, to be honest. So, I'm gonna post this on Facebook to troll people. If they get trolled. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you after that. Okay? Alright, it's already nighttime. And, I'm currently editing a video that I need to post on the channel. But, before that, I need to make dinner first. I can't believe it's already nighttime. What the hell am I doing with my life? So, anyway, dinner. So, let's go. Okay, dinner is ready. So, tonight's dinner, pretty simple. I just steamed some broccoli and air fried some chicken called cordon bleu. So, chicken cordon bleu is basically like a chicken roll. Let me just focus it. There we go. And with ham and cheese inside. So, that's what it is. I air fried this one. So, it doesn't have much oil, if any at all. So,
hopefully that will be slightly healthy for me. So yeah, let's eat dinner. Mm. Mm. Has a lot. Tastes like broccoli. Anyway, I'll finish dinner and then I'll go back to editing. So I'll see you there. Okay, I'm done with dinner and I've cleaned up the dishes. I'm not gonna show you the dishes. So I'm doing editing so I have something to upload. So yeah, let's go. Let's edit some stuffs. It's rendering. So this is a fairly short video, so it won't take long to render this. But I don't usually use the PC when I'm rendering, so while it's rendering, I'm just gonna chill for a bit. So see ya guys later. Okay, so for the rest of the night, I think I'm just gonna do a little sketch. So I have my little art drawing set up here. So there's the pen tab. This is the pen tab. There we go. And this is my laptop. It's connected there. And I have Medibang Paint Pro on. So I'm gonna just do a quick sketch for Valentine's Day, just to close out the day. So yeah, I'll show it to you when I'm done. Here we are guys, this is the sketch that I did for Valentine's Day. Just quick and simple, just two ladies being romantic. It just fills my heart when I draw two ladies being lovey-dovey. I don't know, I just love it. It just gives me life, you know. So oh man. Anyway, let me just, oh god, here we are. Oh gosh, let me just focus that. So that is pretty much it for today. Yeah, I vlogged an entire day. Hurrah! So if you watch until the end, thank you so much. This is the first time I tried to do this kind of thing, and you know, I'm gonna try to make more of this if I'm in the mood. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Smash the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. I will just chill now and eventually sleep. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.